Hello again all, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's Friday, September 11th, 2009, and we are working our way through a nice ending to a week. And we saw this 104.80 area being tested. We talked about that on this morning's video. If I zoom back out, you can see that that was yesterday's highs. A couple tests here, pre and post market, and then we got a nice run up. Very good, up into this area, and then we had a perfect gap fill. So if I get rid of all this pre and post market data, you can kind of see that a little bit clearer. Let me do that. And so here we have that gap fill. It sat there for a little while, ran right back up into a resistance area where people started getting hurt on this chart. This big red bar right here, pretty good size sell-off, and even though we had an ascending triangle during this time frame, which looked to resolve to the upside, the whole time this was going on, this rally here, this nice move to the upside, and this one again, those were with the trend rising. All right, so I don't like to see that necessarily if I'm going to go long right away, and again, not so pretty. So what we have going on right now is a nice move up also in both the trend Q and the trend itself. The volatility index is also rising and not dropping off like I would like to see it. So it makes it a little bit difficult to go long. We already knew we were into resistance after a multi-bar run-up, which we talked about, but kind of nice to see some strength remaining in here. We've now tested back through the support area on this gap fill, plus some. And when that happens, we generally have a better chance of making a lower swing high, even though we could get 100% retracement. I just want to play the odds. Make sure you have the tick and trend and VIX, of course, in your favor before you put a position on. I mentioned that this morning's video as well. All that being said, we're still holding up nicely in a high base. We just have a lower swing high right here. So again, watch how that resolves and realize how extended we are and that we're looking at a Friday. So very nice. Just want to mention those things and reiterate, be careful up in this area. Good stuff, everybody. Hope you're having a great trading day, and I'll talk to you soon.